On a recent trip to Sicily, we decided we wanted to try new experiences. One of the highlights was taking part in a Sicilian pottery class, and in this video we'll share that experience, learning to use a potter's wheel, hand painting on ceramics, and then the best bit, the excitement of unboxing our very own ceramics that were delivered to our door back in the UK.
Oh, what's that?
First, we were taught all about the clay we were using before we were shown a short demo by one of the master potters who looked after us so very well on site. It looked fairly straightforward when watching someone who does this every day. He showed us exactly what to do, how to operate the wheel, how to mould the clay. Would it be that easy for us? First, Sam took the wheel. It was actually tiring pushing the foot pedal to keep the wheel turning at a constant speed. The clay wasn't always doing exactly what she wanted. I offered to play Unchained Melody, but she was having none of it. Then it was Olivia, who was 11 at the time. While she maybe didn't have quite the same confidence as Sam, she certainly got really stuck in. Nobody actually filmed me, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to say I was definitely the best. We were told that our creations would be fired, glazed, and then delivered to our door. And you'll get to see the finished masterpieces at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Next, we tried hand painting. Now, all the ceramics here are painted by hand. First, they draw freehand designs onto the ceramics, and then they use what I can only describe as like a chalky paint. The colours often look quite soft and pastel, but we're told that once they're fired, the colours will really pop to give that traditional Sicilian style. The tiles we painted would be sent along with our pottery. All in all, it was a wonderful experience and one of the best things we've done on a summer holiday pretty much ever. To be at a place so famous for its work felt so special and something we'll remember forever. If you're planning a trip to Sicily, you can book your own private class. I'll put a link in the description below. We highly recommend it for couples, families, or anyone spending time on the eastern side of Sicily. Now, the big reveal. 4 weeks later, our shipment of ceramics arrived from Sicily. Let us know in the comments what you think. Did we do a good job? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Oh, what's that?
Did we not get anything else?
That's the tiles. That's the tiles.
Oh yeah!
Okay, put that down.
It's a bowl, I can tell you that.
That is a ball. Who made that? I can't even remember who made it.
It might have...
Oh, look. Oh, dirty aprons. I don't know. How many is that? Is that it? Okay, so these are the tiles. Ooh, we can start to see them now.
What?
Let's see, show it.
There's the lovely fish. Sam's lemons, which they were the award winners.
Is that mine?
So how many did you do, Sam? We've actually got quite a lot there.
We've got like 9.
We could pretend we made it. Well, this is the beautiful Sicilian head there. She is. That's how the professionals do it, people. More, I think this is yours.
Oh wow, I can't say I'm gonna put it.
What am I doing? I can use my scissors backwards. Yeah, I feel like this is. And that's actually, now we see it, it's like a handy ramekin, which can be used for various snacks, some olives. Oh, that's actually cute.
Can I have that?
Did you do that?
Yeah.
That's actually really cute. Nice finish there, Sam. Good job. I'm saying big reveal, but I can't get. I'm still not in. Oh, it's still got the hole. No, it's not got the hole. Oh my goodness! I am eating breakfast from this bad boy. Yeah, it's got a bit of a. Don't look at its soggy bottom. So this is all that we made. Let's put them all together. We can't claim we made this, but as you can see, a beautiful collection made by us in Sicily with the help of some wonderful people who showed us how to make pottery. So De Simone, if that's how you say it, I can't remember. Thank you so much. We love them.
We'll be posting more videos from our trip to Sicily soon. So if you're a family looking to visit, we can give you some more ideas of what to do when you're there. Thanks for watching. Cheers.